Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. As you can see, I have a 6x6 tile that I'm spreading my white house paint down on, Glidden Premium. And I'm going to do a 3D flower today with the spoon. I've done one before. It wasn't perfect or great or anything. It was okay, but I'm going to see if I can do it a little bit better. Practice makes perfect, so let's see how it goes. All right, let's see what colors I got. 3 colors. Lavender Frost by DecoArt, 24 karat gold, DecoArt. Oriental Violet by Behr. So I'm just going to do a circle. The darker purple. It's really good in those bottles. It's much better than pouring it out with a spoon like I did before. It's my Lowly Leffy bottles. I love them. And I'll put the Lavender Frost next, I believe. These are just my bloom paints, bloom pouring medium that I'm using. And my recipes are in the description under the video. And some discount codes for Lowly Leffy website. Sheleeart Bloom discount code. Mead Art Supplies, paints. There's a discount code for their stuff too. They have paints and airbrushes and easels, lots of different things. Just trying to use the edge of the spoon. Not as flat as I did before. It seems to be a little better. Just let it flow across. You don't have to push hard. It can be a little tricky, but and then you just get your paint and do another circle around the middle, just in front of that. Oh, there, I'm just going to add a little bit more color there. Just thought I would do this now instead of after. If you haven't been here before and you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications and me a thumbs up if you like this. Comment below and let me know what you think. It's all free of charge. I like the way the gold outlines the petal. Okay, let's do the second round. I'm trying to go in between the two. That's not very big, was it? You gotta wipe it off after every time too. Maybe I'll fast forward through this part. All right, well, now it's time for the next round. Same thing again. Time for the middle. Just doing the same thing I did before. Well, this is looking pretty good, I think. I'm just trying to decide what to do in the middle. Balloon dip would be good. Let's try that. Gonna touch it up a little bit. I think it's pretty much done. Well, the paint's not moving anymore. I'm just touching up my sides with the rest of the white paint. I think it's pretty good this time. Better than the last one I did, but it looks cool. I'll put the dried results at the end of the video, so stick around. Have a great day, everybody, and come back to Carole's art room. Hi, everybody. This is so pretty. Look how cute that is. It dried really good. The gold and the purple look so good. I just love that 24 karat gold. Thanks for watching. I love these little flowers. Have a good day.